I'm Mike.
I'm Jamie.
And today we're playing Point Blank. I like the fact that it's quite competitive. You're involved in it because you're actually picking up the gun rather than just moving the joystick around.
Yeah.
Actually shooting at the screen.
But it's a bit hard, like you have to like sort of get in line with the gun.
Yeah. There's some parts of it where it's team game and some parts where you're playing against each other. But I much prefer these games to modern games.
Yeah,
this is why I bring her here, to try and give her an education on how gaming should be.
Like ones like this, they're better than the other ones that we have.
Yeah, this is miles better than PlayStation and things like that.
I usually play on my DS, I play Mario Kart, and I play FIFA sometimes.
I don't play many games at home, unless I get roped into playing on Nintendo DS, and then Mario Kart's a big favourite.
Yeah.
Old school's a really sort of common phrase at the minute, and there's not always, you can't always get the feel for it if you're playing on like an emulator or something like that. So actually come and play the arcade games and feel like with the guns or with the steering wheels and things like that, I think it's really good, and I think it's good to be able to educate my children a little bit about it as well.